said they spoke for every woman. They said they knew her pain. They pointed fingers across the aisle and called us all to blame. You called our fathers backward. You mocked the family name. You said the church would silence her and modesty was shame. You marched beneath the banners. You owned the moral ground. You said the right despised her voice and tried to hold her down. But when she asked for privacy, for fairness, space and choice, the people who once spoke for her would not repeat her voice. You built your power upon her fight, then changed the rules halfway, and every hard-won boundary was quietly swept away. You said the right would chain her down. You said we'd fit her voice. You built your name defending her, or so you claimed by choice. But when she drew a boundary, you told her to submit. You said that we betrayed the women, but you're the ones who did. There stood a woman in the house with anger in her eyes. She named the sneers and double rules, the prejudice and lies. The whole world praised her courage, her words still echo on. But ask her now what woman means, and all that nerve is gone. That gotcha game, a parlor trick, a question brushed aside. But rights depend on meaning, and truth cannot be denied. You cannot build a movement on a word you will not name, then call the women asking why the authors of the shame. You said the right would chain her down. You said we fit her voice. You built your name defending her, or so you claimed by choice. But when she drew a boundary, you told her to submit. You said that we betrayed the women, but you're the ones who did. A women's app called Giggle was dragged before the court. A simple female meeting place became a legal sport. A word once plain to everyone was parsed by robes and pens, and women found their own front door was not quite theirs again. No one's laughing in the courtroom, no laughter in the hall, when saying this is just for women may mean nothing much at all. A birthright turned to paperwork, a body turned to doubt, and those who preached inclusion found one group to leave out. You said the right would chain her down. You said we fit her voice. You built your name defending her, or so you claimed by choice. But when she drew a boundary, you told her to submit. You said that we betrayed the women, but you're the ones who did. It matters in the changing room, the refuge and the race. It matters to the frightened girl who needs a private space. It matters when the whistle blows, when strength decides the score, when records built through years of work are broken nevermore. It matters in the prison wing, the hospital and ward, because a right without a boundary is merely a reward. And women do not lose their sex because the language shifts. A law may bend a definition, but the body still exists. My mother is a woman, my daughters know the word, my granddaughters should never fear the truth cannot be heard. Their sex is not a costume, their body is not hate, and saying what a woman is should not require debate. You used her pain for power, you used her vote for years. Then when she would not move aside, you answered her with sneers. You wore the badge of sisterhood, you claimed the final say. But when the sister drew a line, you gave her rights away. You said the right would chain her down. You said we feared her voice. You built your name defending her, then robbed her of her choice. And when she stood and told the truth, you ordered her to quit. You said that we betrayed the women, but you're the ones who did. You said that we betrayed the women, but you're the ones who did. You made a speech on misogyny, the whole wide world agreed. But woman is not just a word, you changed to suit your need. Don't lecture me on womanhood when you cannot say what it is. Don't lecture me on womanhood when you cannot say what it is.